In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a task's status in Clickup. Whether you're managing a big project or juggling multiple tasks, keeping your statuses up to date in Clickup ensures that your workflow is organized and everyone on your team knows what's happening. First things first, let's locate the task you wish to update. Navigate to the specific list or project that houses the task you're interested in. You'll find this by browsing through your workspace in Clickup. This might be within a project or a particular task list that you've set up. Once you're there, look for the specific task name that needs the status change. Next, you need to identify the status indicator associated with that task. Typically, this is displayed as a small colored circle or a text label. It sits conveniently next to the task name, giving you a clear visual cue of its current status. This indicator reflects whether the task is labeled as to do, in progress, or complete, among other custom statuses you might have set up. Once you've located the status indicator, click on it. This action will open a menu, often a drop-down or modal window, offering a variety of status options. This menu is specifically designed for easy navigation, enabling you to swiftly alter the task's status to match the current progress of your work. Now select the new status from the available options. These might include the default statuses such as to do, in progress, or complete, or any custom statuses your team has established. Simply click on the one that best fits the current state of the task. After you've made your selection, Clickup automatically updates the task's status. This immediate change ensures there's no lag in communication or confusion about where the task stands. It's a seamless experience that keeps your workspace accurate and up to date. For those looking for quick efficiency, there's an alternative for completing tasks. If you're sure a task is finished, many instances allow you to expedite this by using the Mark Complete checkbox. This feature, if available in your view, lets you bypass the menu entirely for an even faster update. Moreover, Clickup offers flexibility with its interface. In views such as the list view, you might notice an ellipsis, represented by 3 dots, next to a status. Clicking here gives you editing options, including the ability to modify statuses further if necessary. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently update task statuses in Clickup, aligning your workflow and keeping your team in the loop. It's this ease of use that makes Clickup a powerful tool for project management, allowing you to track and manage your tasks with clarity and precision.